world, one ride.
Hello guys, this is Devashish again, and I would like to thank you all for the lovely comments and choosing option number 1. That is what I also wanted. Thank you very much. But yeah, बीच में मैं आएगा जाएगा, I might come in between where there is something really interesting. Then I would definitely love to come and tell you about the place. That's it, and now enjoy the video. Love you all. Bye.
Good morning guys, this is Devashish. Today we are riding to Chiclayo. Chiclayo is around 496 kilometers. What the hell? 496 kilometers, and yeah, I'm trying Maps Me, and off we go. जय श्री राम. 220 तो वो मेरे को ये वन वे ने क्या गूगल नहीं दिखाता है, इसीलिए कल अपन घुस गए थे. अरे माँ की आँख किधर क्या रे. चल सीधा चल पार्क से लेफ्ट ले लेना. म्याऊ 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 म्याऊ. अच्छा आ जाए यहाँ से लेफ्ट. मैप्स में थोड़ा अच्छा है, और गूगल मेरे को क्या मालूम. अभी 2 ब्लॉक छोड़ के वापस लेफ्ट है. ये गया. आई थिंक दिस इज लेफ्ट. है क्या इधर है लेफ्ट? हाँ है क्या? है. आ जा नीचे.
मेरे को पुलिस वाले ने रोका है सब सिग्नल के लिए.
अच्छा. इधर का रिक्शा बड़ा प्यारा है यार. आजा. हाँ क्या? हाँ, इधर का रिक्शा देख कितना प्यारा है. वो मोटरसाइकिल को पीछे 3 पहिया लगा डाले. ये मास्क के अंदर किसको क्या मालूम है. अपन इंडियन है, खाली फ्लैग व्लैग देख के मालूम पड़ता है कि भाई ये पार्टी इंडियन होगा है. आयन ब्रिज आ रही है भाई, मेरा फेवरेट. टू 80 मीटर स्ट्रेट. तेरा क्या बता रहा?
क्या बता रहा तेरा?
220 मीटर स्ट्रेट.
हाँ
सही है.
हाँ, मेरा 247 कुछ तो बता रहा. फिर
ये सीधा ही है.
स्लाइट लेफ्ट ऐसा.
हाँ वो. भाई रास्ते के कंडीशन हॉरिबल होते जा रहे भाई. Office here. Hola. English, please. No. Poquito. Paper. A document, na?
Gracias.
किधर जा रहा है? लीमा,
Lima.
उसके बाद अर्जेंटीना.
From Peru. From Peru? From Peru to Bolivia. Yeah.
Okay, gracias. Adios, amigos. So we have stopped here for breakfast. I'm really hungry. I'm gonna eat something and from there we leave. Till then. So for breakfast and lunch, I think this is both happening. I had fish and rice. Yes. There were choices of beef, pork, chicken, fish. So I chose fish. After all, I'm a Bengali, bro. अंदर का बंगाल जग गया. माज भात खा लिया. So fish and rice, yes. The reason I'm having fish and rice, fish. I choose fish over because I was losing a lot of strength. I don't mind losing weight, but not strength. So you gotta be. If I can't lift my motorcycle, then it will be really shameful. Anyways, hey. क्या रे कार्ड नहीं चल रहा है इन लोगों का?
हैं?
तेरा कार्ड चला क्या?
क्या मालूम होगी क्या है उसको?
So one thing I noticed that the card doesn't work. Eh? Lima.
Lima. ¿Y de Lima a dónde?
Argentina. Cusco, Bolivia, Argentina.
Destino final,
India.
hasta la India.
La India.
¿Cuánto tiempo? 3 meses.
More to go.
Todo pista o agua.
Australia. So the card doesn't work. I have not figured out what is the rate of the fuel yet. जितना बोला उतना दे दिया in dollars. So that's it. I needed to fuel up. The range is good. I can make it, and I'll have to remove some currency. Local currency, very essential. Damn, I have collected so many coins right now. I don't know what coins is for what. The worst part about traveling on a world ride is you change currency every now and then. And as far as it is dollars, it's good. But the local currency, it is totally confusing. Then especially the coins, you have so many coins and you have to figure out what coin was which of which country. Oh, I get confused. The roads are horrible. If people say that Central American roads are horrible, bro, trust me. Wow. Iron Bridge, Iron Bridge, Iron Bridge. This is good, but really the roads are seriously horrible. Which I was worried about when I was in US, New York. I was worried that the Central American part roads would be horrible, but then this Peru so far first tunnel of Peru, I would say. Hey. Finally good roads, but I don't know how far it is gonna last, but then yeah, you know, in the middle section it was really bad. 4-lane road, I don't know how far it is gonna go. I hope it goes till the border of Bolivia, but let's see. So I was feeling very sleepy, so I had to pull over. It's totally desert. Oh boy. 75 km more to go. Totally, as you can see, it's totally desert. Totally desert. Nobody there. The time is 3:47. I think we have 45 more minutes to go. Lot of crosswinds. Yeah. इधर भराएगा पेट्रोल के आगे भराएगा?
आगे आगे।
ये रेप्सल मेक्सिको का कंपनी है ना?
हाँ।
हैं?
ये यूएस का है सर।
मेक्सिको में यही चल रही थी ना?
हाँ।
ये तो एकदम मंगोलिया फीलिंग है नहीं? हाँ डीजे?
हाँ।
चल होटल किधर है? ये आगे से लेफ्ट। डीजे?
हाँ।
ये आगे से लेफ्ट।
हाँ।
घुसम घसी है सब। ये देखिए होटल इधर ही है, ये देख।
लेफ्ट में जाने का।
हाँ ये क्या? हाँ ये
हाँ।
ये ना।
हाँ इनिशियल का नाम है।
हाँ कसिनो भी है रे इधर। चल मैं जाके देख के आता। ये इधर पहले
ऐसे छोड़ दो।
अरे रख रहे हैं
चाय वाले।
Alright, so we are back in the hotel and we just went out to buy some stuff, and then probably we're gonna go off to sleep. Tomorrow in Botley place का नाम है. So today's ride was okay, good. Bad roads, but then it's okay. Later on it became nice, but then in cities when you enter the roads are not that good. But yeah. So to all the lovely people who are watching this video, stay blessed. And actually I wanted to show you what we shop, but then it is very embarrassing to carry the camera all over the place, so I'm not doing it. But then I'll try to do it on the GoPro. I don't know how it will work, but then I don't know. But still, to all the people who are watching this video, stay blessed. Good night. Adios, amigos.
One world, one ride.
Pulsar good. You like Pulsar?
Yeah.
Good.